Hey guys, in today's video I am cooking chicken leg with white radish. First, I cut the chicken leg and marinated it with salt, pepper, and soy sauce. And now we will prepare our ingredients. Here I prepared the white radish cut into bite sizes, ginger, garlic, and spring onion, and also the dried mushroom and black fungus. And my sauce is here. I prepared already. It's 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoon mirin, sake, 2 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and then the water or broth. I use broth, guys. And now I need to fry the ginger and garlic. After I brown them, set aside and brown also the meat, the chicken. Small fire, guys, so it will not be burned. And after that I will add the radish, and then the black fungus and dried mushroom. And also I add some spices like the chili. You need to control your chili, guys. And then our prepared sauce. Mix together and put our broth or water. And I transfer it with the larger pot, guys. And I cook 45 minutes there, small fire, guys, or until the sauce is gone. And here it is. Enjoy, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.